Okay, next let's look at formatting. So there are three things we can use for formatting: paste, paste 0, and then string f. So paste is to build a print string. Okay, you have several things to print, then the paste is like a concatenation. Okay. Now paste, you can specify how the two elements that you're pasting together is separated. Okay. And the default is single space. If you don't specify a separator, then the elements will be separated by one single space. Okay. But you can specify any separator that you want, okay, and it can be any length. Okay. Now paste 0, okay, is faster than paste, but it always assumes no separation. It just puts everything together. Okay, sometimes that is useful because if you want to put a period after writing something, you don't want any space in between, so you can use paste 0, then the period would come together with the end of the sentence. If that situation arises. Okay, so we'll look at paste and paste 0 now, and we'll look at string f. Actually, this is sprint f. I don't know why it says string f. We'll do that later. Okay, so let's do paste. Okay, let's set up 3 lines of. This is line number 1. Okay, so I'm going to copy that and make 3 of them. Okay. Okay, so now I've set up 1, 2, 3 for x. Now if I do paste, right? So I say paste x1, x2, x3. Okay, and then do paste 0, x1, x2, x3. So you'll see the difference between paste and paste 0. Okay, you see paste 0, for paste, a space is added. We didn't specify any separator, but paste separator, default separator is a single space. Okay. Now we can specify for paste okay, we can specify any separator that you want, right? So now it puts the separator in between the connections, right? But more useful separator than this would be the new line. So this will then put a new line for each x1, x2, and x3. Okay. Now the reason why you see the same, nothing has happened is because you're just pasting here. You have not printed. For this to print as 3 lines, so you need to then print. Paste only puts them together the way you want it. Okay. And why does it work? Okay, so here I think I need to know. Print, paste. I guess I have to use cat. I don't know why print doesn't work. So let's put it into a variable like that. And then we'll do print A, cat A, and write lines A. So that way we can look at all three, with separator being \n. Okay. So obviously print doesn't change the \n into a line feed. Okay. So here there is an issue here, and the reason for that is if you print A, what will you see? Let's look at A. So the paste adds the \n only here, but not at the end. So in cat A, when it printed line 1, line 2, line 3, and there was no new line feed at the end of line 3. So when write line started, it started from there. And that's why those two are together.